Hey traders, in this video, we're gonna be looking at and reviewing DraftKings. And we're gonna discuss why so many people like this company, the technical setups for it, and how specifically I plan on taking this trade, setup, and stop. But first, enjoy your weekends. All right, as normal, the best way to start talking about a stock is, of course, to look at its stock chart. This was one of my favorite trades ever because of volume. Let's go back in time to earnings in November. Check out this really massive bear volume spike. Now, what was really intriguing is not only did you have a lot of bearish volume that came in from the gap up on November 13th, but check out October 20th. Now, the cool part is October 20th had the highest bear volume on DraftKings history ever. And the high of that candle was 44.97. The high of November 13th, 45.50. So when we closed above that candle just 2 days later, all of those shorts were in fact squeezed out. And that was absolutely the time to get in bullish. In fact, let's go back in time just to hear that analysis when it was in real time.
Okay, DraftKings. So I've already done all the homework for you on DraftKings. Big bearish volume on October 20th. The high of that volume, 44.97. Really big bearish volume on Friday. High, 45.50. Are we sensing a pattern? There's a lot of people who want to short DraftKings at 45. Now, I am in DraftKings with 100 shares, as you guys know. Guess who's going to be buying a lot more shares than that if we close above end of day on DraftKings? Now, I know a lot of you are already in on this one, but I'm going to be in if we close above 45.70. Your boy Newsom might buy more than one share. I love it if it closes above here. I'm a fan. I am. Oh, is that a Morningstar tweezer bottom on a weekly? Okay. Is this an upward trending company that we know how they make money? All right. Plus, some of you are already in DraftKings. Now, the ironic part is there was a lot of crybabies during here on DraftKings. They're like, oh, DraftKings is just going straight down. And remember, if you're buying leaps and shares and stuff like that, it's like, you don't know specifically what it's going to do. So you got to be in long term. T says, would you play options on this one? I absolutely would, definitely. And I very well might. So if we close above 45.70, either at close or the next day, I'll be buying, and I'll probably buy the 45 calls, most likely April, May, something like that. Mr. Brandon Blevins bought a leap off the blue line today because he's a pro. Good job, Brandon. I mean, it's never bounced there before, so it's a really weird spot to buy it, but good job, dude. Very surprising. Shocker. I like it. DraftKings, folks, keep your eyes on that one. Looking good.
So what we have here is we're gonna pop over to FinViz and look at DraftKings. So what I like about it is, number one, you have sales quarter to quarter is really growing. I mean, that's a strong boost. 98% sales growth quarter over quarter, and the gross margins on poultry 35.9%. The interesting part is Super Bowl is around the corner, and a lot of sports bets will be placed on DraftKings over Super Bowl. In fact, the last time I talked about that actually was over here back in February of last year. And what you'll notice is as we approach into the Super Bowl season, you'll see we ran up, had a little bit of a dip, and then we had a nice little Super Bowl spike, followed by a nice little sell-off because, why not? And that was COVID. But also, since then, we just started crushing. I mean, everything started crushing after COVID, right? For whatever reason. So present day, what we have here is just a decent, nice looking upward trend. But the biggest takeaway is the fact that we took out this volume. I really also love the fact that we've closed above this volume on December 9th, and we've taken out the hammer from November 30th. Bottom line, without question, my thesis on DraftKings is bullish. Buy the dip strong. Next pullback we get into DraftKings, most likely around 51. Buy a lot of it because I think it's a strong chance it's going to go up to 64. Or at least that's what I plan on doing personally. I'll add to this position quite sizably and end up making some decent gains on it. Well, hopefully. So anyway, that's my plan and analysis and perspective on DraftKings. I hope you appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for being a part of Real Life Trading. Make sure to use the mouse to love a little bit on that subscribe button, and I will catch you on the flip side.